15 young men come home dead in a plane. Casualties all of a world that's insane. She knew what was coming when she opened the door. The news hit her heart and she fell to the floor. Painfully sobbing, a mum's broken heart, another family so ripped apart. She thinks of the field where her son bled, then remembers the baby she once breastfed. She thinks of the boys she nurtured in growth. He grew, then took that military oath. A young man, strong, able and willing, seduced by the calls, so he took the Queen's shilling. A mother kneels broken as she smells her son's clothes. Then on his coffin she placed a red rose. The sun comes up to cast its warmth on a remembrance parade. To all our fallen heroes, a meaningless charade. Hoof on cobble, east well brushed, the bones of fallen heroes crushed. Shiny leather, bayonets gleam, mass bands start up to hide a fallen hero's scream. And royals in red tunic dressed with Poundland medals on their chest, and dignitaries with sombre face clad in suit and tie as flyby fighter jets corrupt the peaceful sky. With heads low bowed, march past the crowd. The living soldiers breathe, lay at the cenotaph, a poppy-built red wreath. Salute the mothers who felt the pain, the ones who suffered most. Weep for our fallen heroes, now a band of ghosts. Lest we forget, let's drink a toast. Our fallen heroes, our band of ghosts.